Welcome to the Logic Unlock, the place where programming begins. This is a special video to see how to approach a particular algorithm in order to come up with the optimal solution. So in this video, we will talk about the 5 important tips that will help you to approach any algorithm or any problem in the competitive programming as well as in any coding interview. So let's get started. Step 1. Listen carefully. The first step is to listen carefully to the problem. Every single details in the question is necessary to solve the problem. If you haven't used all the details given in the problems, it will not help you to optimize your code. Let's take an example. You are given a 2 sorted arrays and you need to find the common in between them. Most of the people solve this problem, but they will not use a proper approach to get the common in between them. Most people try to use a double for loop, which will ultimately lead to big of n square. So, understanding the details given in the question is really important. Step 2. Take a good example. Most people use a smaller example, but what if a bigger example? So always try to give a bigger example which will help you to know all the corner cases as well as the base cases of your problem. Keep the smaller example as a soft cases for your problem so that it can help you to understand the thing which is really important to calculate in the problem. Step 3. Come up with the brute force solution. Once you know all the details given in the questions, once you understand how to break the problem, try to get a brute force solution as early as possible. This algorithm is little bit slow, but surely this will help you to optimize your code. Look at all the following for loops. It contains mainly 2 for loops, so ultimately leads to the big of n square. But this brute force solutions is going to help us to optimize our code. Step 5. Optimization. Take one step back and look what exactly we have did. Now understand the brute force solution and try to get an optimized solution. Try all the data structures that you can in your brain so that you can come up with the best and optimal solution for the given problem. This will enhance your data structures as well as all the corner cases needed to solve the problem. Step 5. Code. Most people try to code directly on the computer, but stop. Think for a moment, code on either whiteboard or on the paper and the pen. This will make a good habit for the right approach of the problem. Similarly, the coding style really matters. The variable name you give, the function name you use, and all the things. Always try to use an optimized and descriptive name for the function as well as the variables. So in this video, we learned all the 5 steps needed to approach a problems in a right way. Hope so this video is really helping you in order to approach these problems. If you love this video, then subscribe the channels. Till then, have a happy coding.